Warning, Olu is a trained professional. Do not attempt anything you see on this channel.
I moved again. Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? What's good? It's been a while since I came back, man. For real, don't mind the mic. We just started, we just getting started. All the new equipment coming. A new life update. I moved again. It's been a roller coaster, but you know, at the end of the day, when things have to change, things have to change. I'm only getting older, not younger. You know, everybody probably wondering like where this guy been at. I can absolutely say I just been grinding. I just been working on myself, trying to make sure that I'm good, my family is good, my mental health. I don't even know the last time I even posted, to be honest. It's been real, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. It's been like an up and down thing, but I know now I'll be giving out an apartment tour later on just to show y'all how my lifestyle is gonna be. It's only for a short amount of time that, you know, I'm gonna start looking into houses. Chill. But I can absolutely say, very blessed, I'm grateful. I'm blessed to have 4 other siblings, you know, just making sure that everything is good. Give all the glory to God for just putting me in this predicament. You know, I've been praying for it, been asking for it, and He delivered. Like how you usually do. That's my guy, Jim Jan. For the time being, I'm gonna give you a little tour of how the apartment looks. What up? Normally I would finish with my normal catchphrase, but we're gonna leave that for the next video. When you pray, and me, I'm not gonna contradict myself or cap, or, you know, I haven't been praying a lot, but when I do pray, I know it's very genuine. You know, we about to turn up this year. This year is dead and done. We gonna pop out next year, especially for my birthday too, but the apartment tour is coming very soon. Wait on that, please. So, yeah, we about to turn up. I'm telling y'all, guys. Y'all don't even know how this shit go. Jim Jang.